Hi there, this is James from Burton Boat Sales in Ipswich. Just doing you a short walk round video of this stunning Prestige 42S. She's got lovely lines, she's got a nice grey hull as well, which is superb. We've got this superb hardtop with the electric sliding roof. And she offers like a two cockpit setup as well as your normal saloon. And also you've got sort of like two master cabins as well. But we'll see all that when we pop inside her. So she has got the IPS 500, which is the 370 horsepower Volvo engines on joystick control. So really easy from a docking perspective. Your pods sit about somewhere about here in the boat. They're further up the hull. They give the boat a lot more control with the joystick. And it was the original concept for the joystick was with the pod and with the IPS system from Volvo. So as we can see looking here, you've got this lovely big cockpit area. You've also got this nice big bathing platform. And the other brilliant thing is this lifts up on a hydraulic ram and it gives you a tender garage. So you can stow that tender nicely out of the weather. You can fit up in there about, I think it's up to about maximum of 2.8 metres. Obviously, if you are going to just go on that, let's just measure it first. So let's step aboard. So at the stern here, we've got this lovely U-shaped cockpit seating area, which is outside. And then you've got this pull-out sunshade as well. The boat has a cover that covers the whole of this area for when you leave the boat and you're not using it in the winter months. And it makes a great outside area. Then as we come round, we've also got then like an inner cockpit. The nice thing with this is you've got an electric window that comes all the way up to here. And you've then also got a door, which is lockable. So you can make it nice and secure. And plus with the roof shut and the heating on, it would be really nice area in less clement weather. But you can also make it flow through from the exterior cockpit. Now, just while I'm standing here, I just want to quickly show you this deck access here. It's really good. It's nice wide deck, and you can access it from the steps just here. It's a nice, easy deck to get on. And on the other side as well, to access that, you can just walk around the bathing platform, and then you can just easily climb up the steps. Now, for the eagle eyes, you're going to notice that it's got two shore power sockets. That's because this boat has heating, but it also has air conditioning as well. So a really great feature, especially for the summer months. Hopefully the summer coming next year for 2025 is going to be a good one. So let's move forward in the boat. She's also got forward sun pad cushions, which if you've seen the pictures of her online, you'll notice that they were on the boat when we did the exterior shoot for her. Here we go. You've then got your second cockpit area. Again, a lovely seating area. Plenty of room for people. Great socialising area all round for family and friends. Really sort of comfortable at any time of the year. And then we've also got your sort of bar with an electric grill just here, hot and cold water. And you've also got your fridge just round here. Plus, you've got storage there as well. So really nice feature. And obviously the nice thing is, if you are sitting in here in the less clement weather, you get this 360-degree view right the way around you, which is a really nice feature on the boat. It's a lovely specification, this boat. Also, the current owner has gone to the effort to upgrade the chart plotter. Obviously, a lot of boats, this is a 2009, as I said, they're running on the old chart plotters and you can't get the charts for them anymore. This is a fairly newish one. It was only installed very recently, 2022 off the top of my head. And that is a Garmin 1223 XSV from memory. So nice feature to have a new chart plotter on there. You've obviously got all your standard dials from Volvo there as well. You've also got autopilot, which is nice to have. You've got your joystick control and your fly-by-wire throttles. So the boat really is a dream to manoeuvre. VHF radio with DSC. And as you can see, you've got all your controls and everything here. So really is a nice place. Good view from the helm as well. You can drop a board down, which just down here. And you just drop this board down, and then that means you can stand up, and depending on how tall you are, you can look out of the roof as well. Also, you've got this little opening side window just here, so you can get plenty of air flowing through the boat as well. And then let's step down below. We've just cleaned the carpets. It's still drying, so just bear that in mind if there's any sort of funny shaded patches. They are just literally a pin down carpet, very easy to use. So down here, we've got this lovely warm feeling saloon area. As you can see, plenty of seating for plenty of people down here. You've got your portholes out, so you have got air that you can get down here. But don't forget, this boat has got the air conditioning. Nice staircase down into the saloon as well. And as we come round, look at this nice TV all integrated in there. Really is a nice feature. It keeps it out of the way. We've got this lovely galley just here as well. We are just coming into winter, so the owner has put a dehumidifier on the boat. Just shows that obviously he looks after the vessel. We've got this lovely microwave oven here as well. So don't forget, we've got that grill on the top, and then just under here we've got a 3-burner gas stove as well. Now, on top of all of this, the boat is also equipped with a 6 kVA generator as well, which is great, and that can be started from inside the boat. You can go to the panels in here and you can start the generator from here, which is a nice little feature to have. It's got a really nice feel. The wood feels really nice in here. This on here is lovely as well. It's got a really nice feel to it. And then we've got up here, we've got your nice fridge so this is the second fridge on the boat with a freezer compartment as well. So if you are partial to gin and tonic, you'll be safe to have your ice with it as well. And the next, I don't know where to go forward or backwards really, but let's go forwards. So the forward cabin, lovely island bed. Again, it's got that lovely feel with that wood and the roof material. It's just lovely. It feels nice and warm in here as well, and you can get plenty of light in to the boat. The other nice thing with this boat is it has a colossal amount of storage. Here is what I call a walk-in wardrobe near enough. As you can see, plenty of hanging, so full length hanging in there. Really is a lovely feature, that. And then you've got more storage here as well, again with more hanging, which is ideal for shirts. And then as we come round to the other side here, you've got more in here as well. So plenty of storage on the boat, plenty of places to put your bits and pieces. Now the nice thing with this is in the fore cabin, the day head is en suite, so it can be accessed from the saloon itself, and you've got the shower curtain that comes around. So the nice thing is you can actually bring your towel in here and your wash bag without filling them up with water. Also to note, the two toilets on the boat are both electric as well, and the boat does have a holding tank. So let's pop aft. Great boat if you're sharing the boat with friends as well. This is because obviously it separates you nicely from your friends when you're at sleep and just chilling. And look, again, another island bed, nice size. Again, plenty of storage as you come down. Plenty of light coming in here. To be fair, I would class this as the owner's cabin. You've got plenty of storage in here. You've also got your own ensuite. Again, with that shower curtain arrangement and your electric toilet as well. And then as we come round, you've got a nice vanity unit, storage and everything else in here. So as you can see, it's a real nice feel down here. Plenty of space in the boat itself. Looks a real comfy boat, I would say. Very comfortable. With plenty of space. Great boat to socialise with friends on and have your own space at the same time. So hopefully this video helps you. Hopefully it sort of gives you an idea of the layout of the boat. It really is a stunning layout. And she is in lovely condition as well, to be fair. And it really would be worth coming to have a look. I forgot to mention also the saloon can convert into a berth as well. So that will give you effectively 6 berths in 3 cabins. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope to speak to you soon. James, Burton Waters.